All right, guys, so we're back with another video. This time it is related to the S2000. I know I haven't really done much, so excuse the mess over here. I know I haven't really done much with this car. I'm trying to enjoy it stock as possible. All I've done is an intake. I got the AFE Takeda intake and then the catback right here. So the Tanabe Medallion or Revel catback. So that's about it. And like I said, just wanted to enjoy it in its stock form because it is fun to drive. But anyway, enough blabbing. The reason I'm making this video is because I wanted to quickly install this piece right here. Big shout out to LHT Performance. I bought a couple things from them, and this one is pretty cool. So I had to get one as soon as I saw that they were available. This is the bar that basically prevents this back bumper from sagging. So mine isn't really sagging, but over time I think it will. And I'm referring to this piece right here. So according to the site, that brace that they provide is compatible with the AP1s and AP2s. So I went ahead and picked up one for my 2006 AP2 S2000. So let's go ahead and get it installed. It should be a fairly quick video. All right, so this is basically what it is. It is made out of billet aluminum. And like I said, it's meant to keep the back part of the bumper, the bottom part, from sagging over time. And it just it comes with the hardware, everything you need to install it. So let's go ahead and do that. So hopefully this is a good angle, but what this piece is supposed to do, like I said, is supposed to prevent this piece right here. You can tell it's already flimsy. It's supposed to prevent it from sagging over time and causing some spider cracks along the paint right here. So pretty simple. I wouldn't even call it an install. It's more of a addition. All you need to do is take these two pop clips off and then replace them with the included hardware. Once it's mounted, should be solid. So let's go ahead and start by removing these pop clips. So I had a hell of a time taking these off. Typically I use my plastic prying tool, but I had to use a flathead screwdriver to get these off. So it might be a good idea to maybe spray this down with water because of all the dirt that's behind it. So now that those are off, I'm gonna go ahead and mount this on here. I looked at the site and the logo is facing like this, so like that. And these are 5mm Allen bolts. All right, so I got it loosely fitted, and I want to point out that it's a little hard to see, but there are two brackets on each side. Let's see if I can zoom in right here. So there's these two brackets right there. You can kind of see it, and what you want to do is make sure that the bolt goes through the plastic piece as well as the bracket. Let's see if I can get under here. So right there, there's the bracket. There's the first one, and then the second one is right there. But yeah, just make sure the nut is on top like that, and that should be enough to support the brace right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this up, and also it fits nicely flush along with this edge, this plastic edge right here, right there. But like I said, I'm gonna tighten this up, and then yeah, we'll have a look at it. Just so you guys don't struggle like I did, this nylon nut right here, it's not a 10, it's not a 12 mil, but a 13 mil. So keep that in mind when you're under there trying to secure it to the bracket. So there we go, 13 mil, remember that. All right guys, so here we have it. It looks pretty cool, and it does what it's supposed to. So if I put some weight on this part right here, it doesn't flex, just because this is mounted to the two brackets that I showed you guys on the back side. Looks pretty great. Look, adding weight on there and no flex, nothing. And I like how subtle it is. So basically you can't see anything until you get down here. So there we have it. Like I said, just a quick video for today. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one.